Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Zeal Education, and today's our topic about the cell, a brief introduction about its fundamental unit, the structure and function of cellular organelles. The first I tell you about the cell theory. The cell is the smallest unit of life. The organism are composed of one or more cells. Means one cell can be also animals can be also animal or organism can be also composed of one cell, which is called unicellular, and which is composed of more than one cell is called multicellular. New cells arise previously cells, means new cell older cell is the act as the mother cell, and newly formed cell is a daughter cell. Now the talking about the nature of cell, and main common four components common in each eukaryotic cell, like plasma membrane, region containing DNA is a genetic material, and cytoplasm, and biochemical molecules and biochemical pathways. In animal cell we can see that different kinds of cell according to shape and according to its function, as fat cell and erythrocytes is RBC, disc-like structure, fibroblast, which is spindle shape, epithelial cell is square or cuboid like its shape, skeletal muscle shape, conical shape, smooth muscle cell, spindle shape, sperm cell, and fibers nervous cells, which is fiber type of or dendroids or tree type of shape, and macrophages, which is a not defined shape. Cells are mainly two types according to its basic function and complexity, as we know or we can see prokaryotic or eukaryotic. In prokaryotic cell is the simpler type of cells which has no nucleus, no cell organelles, and small size, like as 100 nanometer to 5 micrometer. But in eukaryotic cell has true nucleus, membrane bound organelles, and the size is 10 micrometer to 100 micrometer. Now I'm talking about plasma membrane. What is plasma membrane? Outer covering layer which is bound means which bound the cytoplasm, and cell organelles, cover the cell organelles and cytoplasm, is called plasma membrane, and its fluid mosaic model is the means valid theory about the plasma membrane, which is work as a membrane and molecules bobbing phospholipid C proteins determine membrane's specific function. Now I'm talking about nucleus. Nucleus is the central part of any cell and the dense part of the cell which is covered by nuclear membrane, and genetic material is occupied here. Second part is endoplasmic reticulum, which made the skeletal of cells and give the support to be in the shape. And it is mainly two types: smooth ER and rough ER. Rough ER is composed of ribosomes, and ribosomes, this is the work as the factory of protein synthesis. And the third part is mitochondria, which is the powerhouse of any cell and make the in, store the energy and release the energy when it required. Golgi complex, Golgi bodies do the work mainly transport the protein. Golgi bodies receive substance from ER, refines and packages them. Lysosome is the suicide bag which do the clear do the function of clearance of cell or sometimes to exit the wastage of any cell.